Hello, welcome to the Sunday Gardener. In this video we're going to be looking at what to do in the garden in May, and I make no apologies for starting where I started the April video with bedding plants, because it's still the most common question to the website: can I plant out my bedding plants? And May, can I plant out my bedding plants? Well, it's still a significant risk. There are parts of the country, south of England and Cornwall, which by May are likely to be frost free, but it's not guaranteed, and this is why you need to be careful in respect of any bedding plants or non-hardy plants. Think of May, I think it was around the 2nd or 3rd of May 2017, we had a widespread frost down to -6. That was all across the country, and it devastated the vineyard crops in the south of the country. It also ruined the wisteria here because it burnt the flowers and damaged them, and they didn't flower properly that year. We at the moment are enjoying still another spell of very warm sunny weather, which is particularly poignant in this year when we're in lockdown with coronavirus. But notwithstanding this warm spell, the temperatures are forecast to drop 10 degrees between a Friday and a Saturday and go down to freezing, and that would instantly be a problem for any bedding plants or non-tender plant or tender plants. Two choices: you can either keep bedding plants and tender veg in the greenhouse or under glass or in a porch or indoors somewhere. So in the greenhouse at the moment I've got runner beans, French beans, pelargoniums, squashes, cucumbers, and shortly we'll have tomatoes because they're all tender. Or if you don't have a greenhouse and you need to plant them outside, then you must be able to protect them. That's a horticultural fleece, cloches, or you can make your own cloche using bubble wrap and bricks, and I'll show you an image of that, and it's really easy to do, and you can put that up temporarily for a couple of days until the risk of frost has passed. So in answer to can I plant out my bedding plants now? Well, you can, providing you're vigilant on the weather and you're ready to cover them. Personally, I will wait till the end of May and plant them out very end of May, beginning of June.